Hello, mathematicians. Do you remember these signs? Greater than, less than. If you're not sure what those signs are, how about thinking of them as nothing more than an alligator? Thinking about it as an alligator. And that alligator, its mouth is open and it wants to eat the greater number, the bigger number. So that alligator's hungry. It definitely wants the greater number. Okay, so moving on from that, we are going to look at this, and it says, which sign makes the statement true? Estimate to solve the problem faster. Well, we learned about estimation here. So if we look at 77, we're going to round that to 80. And if we're going to look at this 22, we're going to round that to 20. So when we're looking at this side, 80 minus 20, that's going to be 60. And then if we're going to look at this side, 80 rounded to the nearest 100, well, that's going to go to 80. And then if we round 13 to the nearest, 10. I think I said 100 before. It's going to be 10. So 80 minus 10, well, that is 70. Okay, so we have to think, is the greater than, is this side greater than this side, or is this side less than this side? In this case, this is the sign that we would choose. Because if we would move this sign right here, it would be 60 is less than 70.